that was a nice setup right there, at least on the 5. Perfect. Never going to get another good chance like that, right? It's already up $10. Nice. How much more can she go? Got the 200 coming overhead. Let's go. Break a new high. There it is. Get us to that 200. And we're just about to close this 5. I know we're going to pull back, so I took some profit. I'm all out NVDA. I'm just looking for another way in. I got it. I almost bottom take those options. I got a 585 entry on this on that one, and I'm short the open print. So we'll see what happens. Let's see if I at least comes back and gives us a gap close back into 40. I'll sell some at 40, probably the bulk of them, hang on to a couple, and then the 40.27 would be like my final target for the day for the 60-minute night. Come on down, 41. Definitely want to take some profits. Order filled. I'm just paying myself a little bit. I do need a little bit of a pop to add, so I guess I'm not going to get my ad. There we are, 40.41. Took a little bit more profits there. Break right through that 40. Yeah, 40.40. Busted 430, 40.39. Let's go. I like how we broke the 15-minute 9. This is very nice right here. It's not giving me a chance to get back in, but sure is paying me good on this one. So I paid myself completely out. I'm waiting for the next setup. It was a good trade, good win.